How to fix Instagram highlights not working. So to fix this problem, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram like this, now close the Instagram app. After you close your Instagram, now go and open your Play Store or App Store. After you open your Play Store or App Store, just type in Instagram like this and tap on the Instagram icon. After you open it, now tap on this update option. After you finish updating your Instagram app, now go back. Now find the Instagram app and long press your hand on the Instagram app like this. After you long press your hand on it, now tap on this where it says app info. So after it open the settings of Instagram for you in your phone, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says battery. After you open the battery, now go and tap on this post stop app. Now go and post stop the Instagram app. After you post stop the Instagram app, now go and remove the Instagram from the minimize on your phone like this. So now go ahead and open the Instagram app again. Allow it now to finish loading. After you open the Instagram, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So as you can see now my Instagram highlight has came back. As you can see now I got the Instagram highlight. But if you have tried this option and it doesn't work for you, all you have to do now, after you open your profile like this, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, now tap on this settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says help. After you open this help, all you have to do now, tap on this report a problem. After you come to this session, make sure to turn on this option, turn off. So tap on this report. So now tap on this continue. As you can see now, tap on this include and continue. So now it will allow you now to explain your problem and send it to Instagram, and they will fix it for you within some hours. As you can see now, after you type like I'm not seeing Instagram highlights on my Instagram account or highlight option on my Instagram account, and tap on this send button. So now you can wait for Instagram to respond to you within 24 hours. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.